Good morning. How did you sleep? Good morning. How did you sleep?
I slept well. Thank you. I slept well. Thank you.
Did you sleep well last night? Did you sleep well last night?
Yes, I had a good sleep. Yes, I had a good sleep.
What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up?
I woke up at 6 a.m. I woke up at 6 a.m.
Why did you wake up so early? Why did you wake up so early?
I have some work to do. I have some work to do.
Are you still feeling sleepy? Are you still feeling sleepy?
No, I feel fresh. No, I feel fresh.
Did you hear the alarm? Did you hear the alarm?
Yes, but I snoozed it. Yes, but I snoozed it.
What is the plan for today? What is the plan for today?
I have some work and then I'll relax. I have some work and then I'll relax.
Did you have any dreams? Did you have any dreams?
Yes, but I don't remember them. Yes, but I don't remember them.
Did you sleep early last night? Did you sleep early last night?
No, I slept late. No, I slept late.
Why do you look so tired? Why do you look so tired?
I didn't get enough sleep. I didn't get enough sleep.
Did you brush your teeth? Did you brush your teeth?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
Have you washed your face? Have you washed your face?
Not yet, I will now. Not yet, I will now.
What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast?
I would like some toast. I would like some toast.
Have you taken a bath? Have you taken a bath?
No, I'll take it soon. No, I'll take it soon.
Why are you still in bed? Why are you still in bed?
I feel lazy today. I feel lazy today.
Will you go for a morning walk? Will you go for a morning walk?
Yes, I am getting ready. Yes, I am getting ready.
What time will you leave for work? What time will you leave for work?
Around 9 a.m. Around 9 a.m.
Do you need tea or coffee? Do you need tea or coffee?
I want coffee. I want coffee.
Who will prepare breakfast today? Who will prepare breakfast today?
Mom will prepare it. Mom will prepare it.
Did you pack your lunch? Did you pack your lunch?
Yes, I packed it already. Yes, I packed it already.
Dad, are you going to the office? Dad, are you going to the office?
Yes, I am leaving soon. Yes, I am leaving soon.
Mom, what are you cooking? Mom, what are you cooking?
I am making pancakes. I am making pancakes.
Brother, are you still sleeping? Brother, are you still sleeping?
No, I just woke up. No, I just woke up.
Can you please wake up, Grandma? Can you please wake up, Grandma?
Okay, I will wake her up. Okay, I will wake her up.
Did you iron your clothes? Did you iron your clothes?
No, I forgot. No, I forgot.
Did you make your bed? Did you make your bed?
Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
What should I wear today? What should I wear today?
Wear something comfortable. Wear something comfortable.
Have you done your morning exercise? Have you done your morning exercise?
Not yet. I will do it now. Not yet. I will do it now.
Are you feeling hungry? Are you feeling hungry?
Yes, I am starving. Yes, I am starving.
Can you help me with breakfast? Can you help me with breakfast?
Sure, I will help you. Sure, I will help you.
Did you check the weather? Did you check the weather?
Yes, it's going to be sunny. Yes, it's going to be sunny.
Should I take my umbrella? Should I take my umbrella?
No, it's not gonna rain. No, it's not gonna rain.
Are you ready to leave? Are you ready to leave?
Almost just a minute. Almost just a minute.
Did you take your phone? Did you take your phone?
Yes, I have it. Yes, I have it.
Where are my shoes? Where are my shoes?
They are near the door. They are near the door.
Did you complete your homework? Did you complete your homework?
Yes, I finished it last night. Yes, I finished it last night.
What's the time now? What's the time now?
It's 7:30 a.m. It's 7:30 a.m.
Should I wear a jacket? Should I wear a jacket?
Yes, it's cold outside. Yes, it's cold outside.
Do we have enough milk for breakfast? Do we have enough milk for breakfast?
Yes, we do. Yes, we do.
Who will drop you at school today? Who will drop you at school today?
Dad will drop me. Dad will drop me.
Are you taking your umbrella? Are you taking your umbrella?
No, I don't think I need it today. No, I don't think I need it today.
What's for lunch today? What's for lunch today?
I think it's pasta. I think it's pasta.
Who's making lunch today? Who's making lunch today?
Mom is cooking. Mom is cooking.
Can you call Dad and ask when he'll be home? Can you call Dad and ask when he'll be home?
Okay, I'll call him now. Okay, I'll call him now.
Are you taking your water bottle? Are you taking your water bottle?
Yes, I have it in my bag. Yes, I have it in my bag.
Will you be late today? Will you be late today?
No, I should be home on time. No, I should be home on time.
Can you close the windows before you leave? Can you close the windows before you leave?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
Who will wash the dishes today? Who will wash the dishes today?
I'll do it after breakfast. I'll do it after breakfast.
Are you excited about today? Are you excited about today?
Yes, I have something interesting planned. Yes, I have something interesting planned.
What's your plan after school work? What's your plan after school work?
I'll come home and rest. I'll come home and rest.
Did you check if the car has fuel? Did you check if the car has fuel?
Yes, it's fine. Yes, it's fine.
Did you set your alarm for tomorrow? Did you set your alarm for tomorrow?
No, I'll do it now. No, I'll do it now.
Are you taking your lunchbox? Are you taking your lunchbox?
Yes, I packed it already. Yes, I packed it already.
Should I leave the light on for you? Should I leave the light on for you?
No, I'll turn it off when I leave. No, I'll turn it off when I leave.
Did you check if your phone has enough charge? Did you check if your phone has enough charge?
Yes, it's fully charged. Yes, it's fully charged.
Can you turn on the news for me? Can you turn on the news for me?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
When will you be back home? When will you be back home?
Around 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m.
Do you want me to call you later? Do you want me to call you later?
Yes, please do. Yes, please do.
Can you help me tie my shoelaces? Can you help me tie my shoelaces?
Sure. Let me do it. Sure. Let me do it.
Have a great day. Have a great day.
You too. You too.
Do you need a ride to school? Do you need a ride to school?
No, I will take the bus. No, I will take the bus.
Did you lock the front door? Did you lock the front door?
Yes, it's locked. Yes, it's locked.
What are you reading? What are you reading?
I'm reading the newspaper. I'm reading the newspaper.
Who is taking care of the house today? Who is taking care of the house today?
Mom will be home. Mom will be home.
Do we have any guests coming today? Do we have any guests coming today?
No, not today. No, not today.
Can you remind me to call Grandma? Can you remind me to call Grandma?
Yes, I will remind you. Yes, I will remind you.
Are you wearing your ID card? Are you wearing your ID card?
No, I forgot. I'll take it now. No, I forgot. I'll take it now.
What shoes should I wear today? What shoes should I wear today?
Wear the black ones. Wear the black ones.
Can you please help me find my keys? Can you please help me find my keys?
Sure, where did you last keep them? Sure, where did you last keep them?
Did you check your bag before leaving? Did you check your bag before leaving?
Yes, everything is inside. Yes, everything is inside.
Who used the bathroom last? Who used the bathroom last?
I did. I did.
Is the water warm? Is the water warm?
Yes, it's warm enough. Yes, it's warm enough.
Should I turn off the lights? Should I turn off the lights?
Yes, please do. Yes, please do.
What perfume are you wearing? What perfume are you wearing?
It's my favorite one. It's my favorite one.
Can you wake me up earlier tomorrow? Can you wake me up earlier tomorrow?
Sure, what time? Sure, what time?
Who is taking the car today? Who is taking the car today?
Dad is taking it. Dad is taking it.
Do you have your wallet? Do you have your wallet?
Yes, I have it. Yes, I have it.
Is breakfast ready? Is breakfast ready?
Yes, let's eat. Yes, let's eat.
Did you turn off the gas? Did you turn off the gas?
Yes, I checked it. Yes, I checked it.
Can you make me a cup of tea? Can you make me a cup of tea?
Sure, give me a minute. Sure, give me a minute.
Can you pass me the newspaper? Can you pass me the newspaper?
Sure, here it is. Sure, here it is.
What's the news today? What's the news today?
I haven't read it yet. I haven't read it yet.
Do you have a meeting today? Do you have a meeting today?
Yes, I have one in the morning. Yes, I have one in the morning.
What time will you be back home? What time will you be back home?
Around 6 p.m. Around 6 p.m.
Is your school bag ready? Is your school bag ready?
Yes, it's packed. Yes, it's packed.
Where is my watch? Where is my watch?
It's on the table. It's on the table.
Should I make a sandwich for you? Should I make a sandwich for you?
Yes, please. Yes, please.
Did you charge your phone? Did you charge your phone?
Yes, it's fully charged. Yes, it's fully charged.
Do you want some juice? Do you want some juice?
Yes, I'd love some. Yes, I'd love some.
Are you wearing your socks? Are you wearing your socks?
No, I forgot. No, I forgot.
Do you need help with anything? Do you need help with anything?
No, I'm good. No, I'm good.
What time is your first class? What time is your first class?
It starts at 9 a.m. It starts at 9 a.m.
Should I pack some snacks for you? Should I pack some snacks for you?
Yes, that would be great. Yes, that would be great.
Have you watered the plants? Have you watered the plants?
Not yet, I will do it now. Not yet, I will do it now.
Where are my earphones? Where are my earphones?
Check on your desk? Check on your desk?
Did you feed the dog? Did you feed the dog?
Yes, I fed him. Yes, I fed him.
Who left the door open? Who left the door open?
I don't know, maybe it was me. I don't know, maybe it was me.
Can you switch off the fan? Can you switch off the fan?
Sure, I will. Sure, I will.
Why are you in such a hurry? Why are you in such a hurry?
I am running late. I am running late.
Did you check your schedule for today? Did you check your schedule for today?
Yes, I have a busy day. Yes, I have a busy day.